you really convinced that you are really solving a particular problem or opportunity? And is that problem really big? Ask yourself whether which market segments you have found out and which one you are not going to operate in. Strategy is also about not doing something. And who do you compete against? It is a war there. So who's your enemy? On what hill he is perched at? And therefore, I just want you to go through this one storyboard. Are you done with the reading? So relate this slide to this slide now. The first 2 points. What problem opportunity do you intend to address? Is it real and big? And which market or consumer segments you want to address? Consumer segments, okay? And what do you compete against? Just keep the second point in mind more. Consumer segments and competition. Who's your audience? And who are you going to compete with? Okay? Now come to this slide. My question is, what are the 2 things that Shraddha really was worried about?
Comfortness.
Sorry?
So reducing her
Comfortness.
electricity bill without using her AC and also not feeling the pinch and getting her electricity bill reduced is one of her main worries. And second also, sir, if she could also use the comfort of the AC.
And she was also concerned about the environment that she was harming using.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, do you feel that many of us are like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Honestly, tell me. I mean,
Yes.
I certainly resonate. Actually, I wrote the story changing my name to Shraddha. Honestly. Yeah, because I sometimes feel guilty that when I'm running the AC, and I'm happy that COVID has caused so much of correction in nature, I'm slightly adding back to it. But it's very sultry in Mumbai here. You can't sit like this. And still my AC is running and I just keep it off in between. So what is it actually, the journey? So don't you see 2 types of journey or 2 levels of journey here? The upper one and the lower one? Or maybe a continuation of the journey where the patient was having a problem and until one day, what happened? That she saw an ad. And what was it? Solar energy. A great solution. Right? And it was addressing her both the problems. That is what I am saying. Segway guys actually created segways and they didn't know for many years where to sell, how to sell, and what is it actually for. Now here, she had the 2 issues and the solution is going to address those 2 issues and she is happy now. So same way, my question is, for all those patient journeys that you have made, the corporate executives, the obese people, the pregnancy or PCOS or various different patient journeys that you have made, can you write a story like this for your brand? If you cannot visualize your customer or consumer, believe me, you will make a fantastic template for a marketing plan, but you can never establish a connect with that customer because all your creatives, all your campaigns is going to address this customer, which is hiding behind this line. Do you agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the 2 different things coming out from this structure or this exercise is, can you make this slide without knowing the brand differentiation? Tell me. You cannot make the slide without knowing the brand differentiation. And you are certainly targeting it, your products, features and benefits to the given consumer's problem. It is just like a lock and key. It is fitting in well. Okay. So what our attempt should be is, you should have the consumer personas, like brand persona, consumer persona. You know, we like similar people who match our personality. If I'm talking fast, you talk very slow, I might be uncomfortable, you might be uncomfortable. So same way, consumer persona and the brand persona must match. How is Shraddha? Is Shraddha about cost conscious lady and I'm going to sell her a premium product? I might have to add value to it more. Okay, so let's move on.